Welcome to Tokyo, a city where the ultra-modern meets rich tradition. From towering skyscrapers to serene temples, Tokyo is a vibrant metropolis packed with unique experiences. Today, we're counting down the top 10 places to visit in Tokyo. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, these spots will leave you in awe. Starting off our list at number 10 is Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest pedestrian intersections in the world. It's a symbol of Tokyo's energy and chaos. Standing at the intersection while hundreds of people rush by is an experience you won't forget. At number 9 we have Akihabara, the haven for anime and gaming enthusiasts. This district is packed with themed cafes, electronics stores, and unique shops. Even if you're not a hardcore fan, the vibrant atmosphere is sure to captivate you. Number 8 is Asakusa, home to the iconic Senso-ji temple, Tokyo's oldest temple. The approach to the temple is lined with charming shops selling traditional snacks and souvenirs. Don't forget to try some melon bread or ningyo-yaki. At number 7 we have Tsukiji Outer Market. Although the inner wholesale market has moved, the outer market remains a vibrant food paradise. Sample fresh sushi, sashimi, and other Japanese delicacies while immersing yourself in the culinary culture of Tokyo. Coming in at number 6 is Tokyo Tower, an iconic symbol of the city. Standing at 333 meters, it offers stunning panoramic views from its observation decks. Visit at sunset for a magical view as the city lights begin to twinkle. At number 5 we have Harajuku, the epicenter of youth fashion and pop culture. Wander down Takashita Street, where you'll find eclectic shops, trendy cafes, and some of the most unique street fashion in the world. It's a feast for the eyes. Number 4 is Meiji Shrine, nestled in a tranquil forest just steps away from Harajuku. This Shinto shrine is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken. The serene atmosphere and beautiful architecture make it a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. At number 3 we have Ueno Park, a spacious public park that's perfect for a leisurely stroll. It's home to several museums, a zoo, and beautiful cherry blossoms in spring. Enjoy a picnic under the blooming trees or visit the Tokyo National Museum for a dose of culture. Number 2 is Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, an oasis in the heart of the city. This expansive garden combines traditional Japanese, French, and English landscapes. It's a perfect spot for relaxation, especially during cherry blossom season. And finally, at number 1 we have Tokyo Skytree, the tallest structure in Japan and the second tallest in the world. The observation decks offer breathtaking 360-degree views of the city and beyond. On a clear day you can even see Mount Fuji in the distance. Tokyo is a city that never ceases to amaze, blending tradition with innovation at every turn. Whether you're exploring vibrant neighborhoods or serene gardens, there's always something new to discover. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Tokyo. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.